Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? The topic which I am going to discuss today is the messenger RNA transport, and it is transported from the nucleus to cytoplasm for the process of the translation. As I have explained about the post-transcriptional modifications in my previous video, after that modifications that mature messenger RNA has to move in the cytoplasm for the process of translation. In this video, I'll explain the transport of messenger RNA towards the cytoplasm with the help of a handmade model. So let's start. Actually, this transport is not a one-step process. It is not passive. Some regulating steps are involved here. And why it's not an easy process? Because our active messenger RNA is not only the RNA which will try to export from the nucleus. Some other damaged messenger RNA, abnormal messenger RNA will also try to liberate from the nucleus. And sometimes spliced introns which were removed in the process of splicing will also try to liberate. So definitely there would be competition. So there should be the identification of the active messenger RNA. And how the active messenger RNA is identified. Actually, active messenger RNA received many proteins during the process of modifications. And such proteins will help in the identification of active messenger RNA. In the modifications of pre-messenger RNA, one modification is splicing. And in splicing, when introns are removed, exons are joined with the exons. And during this joining, some proteins are also added to the exon and exon junctions. So these proteins will also be identifying proteins. And RNAs other than messenger RNAs don't have such proteins. In fact, those RNAs other than messenger RNAs will have such proteins which will block their path. So they will not move out of the nucleus. So now I move towards the nuclear pores. Is there any role of the nuclear membrane in the exportation of the messenger RNA? And yes, of course it has. Now what's that role? Actually, nuclear membrane have specific structures called nuclear pores complexes. These nuclear pores allow the messenger RNA to export from the nucleus. Both kind of molecules, small and large, pass from the nuclear pores, but they have different mechanism. Small molecules pass easily from the nuclear pores, but the large and complex molecules like messenger RNA cannot pass easily. They will pass from the nuclear pores by using energy. Next, there is another role of the nuclear membrane in exporting the messenger RNA from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. Actually, some receptors are also present in the nuclear membrane, and the role of these receptors is to receive these signals, export signals from the messenger RNA. After recognizing the export signals, they will guide the messenger RNA for exporting out of the pore. As I have already told you all, that it is an energy consuming step, it is an active step, and this energy is important when GTP molecule is hydrolyzed. Next, the exporter, the primary factor in exporting the messenger RNA from the nucleus. These messenger RNA exporters have smaller and larger subunits, and the larger subunits have binding sites by which the messenger RNAs bind and export to the cytoplasm. Now finally, all these steps, the messenger RNA has been exported to the cytoplasm. As the messenger RNA moved to the cytoplasm with cap, with tail and with many proteins, all those structures, all those proteins are then sent back to the nucleus. So that was all about my topic. Now let's have a glance on my model. That's the model I have made for explaining the mechanism of messenger RNA transport to the cytoplasm. You can also make such kind of models for your presentations. So next I am going to explain this model. Let's start. Mechanism for messenger RNA transport to cytoplasm. So here's the model. You can see. You people can also prepare such kind of models for your presentations. Overall, this model is explaining the transport of messenger RNA from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. This portion is the nucleoplasm from the nucleus, and this portion is the cytoplasm. And this portion is the nuclear basket having 8 protein filaments. Its interior portion is having a ring, and from this ring messenger RNA moves out of the nucleus. Here is another structure, messenger RNA exporter having 3 domains: N-terminal region, middle domain, carboxyl domain. So here FG nucleoporins, which are the proteins for sport. So now messenger RNA has moved out. Here is the 5 cap and here is the tail, adenine tail. It is the way of its movement. So that was all about my topic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you people liked my model and I hope you people liked my lecture. Thank you so much.